Well, welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to filter your LinkedIn contacts by industry. This is incredibly useful when you want to connect with professionals in specific sectors or organize your network more effectively. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your full network features for this to work. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll find several options, but we're interested in the one labeled My Network. Click on it to access your networking hub where all your connections and invitations are managed. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different sections. Look for the option that says Connections and click on it. This will display all the people you're currently connected with on LinkedIn, giving you a comprehensive view of your professional network. Next, you'll want to refine this list. Look for the button that says Search with Filters and click it. This opens up LinkedIn's powerful filtering system, allowing you to sort through your connections based on various criteria. It's one of the platform's most valuable features for network management. Once you've clicked that, navigate to the top of the page where you'll see All Filters. Click on this option to reveal the complete range of filtering possibilities available to you. This is where the real customization begins. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen displaying all the different filter options LinkedIn offers. These range from location and company to more specific categories. Don't worry if it seems like a lot at first. We're focusing on just one today. Scroll down through these filter options until you locate industries. This filter is specifically designed to help you categorize your connections based on the sectors they work in, whether that's technology, healthcare, finance, or any other field. When you find industries, you'll see a list of different sectors with checkboxes next to them. Simply check the box next to the industry you're interested in. You can select multiple industries if you want to cast a wider net, but for now, just pick the one that matters most to your current needs. After making your selection, click the button that says Show Results. LinkedIn will immediately filter your connections to display only those working in the industry or industries you selected. This makes it much easier to reach out to specific professionals or analyze your network composition. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your LinkedIn contacts by industry, giving you a more organized view of your professional network. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.